All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, talking about different stocks, metaverse, Meta, Facebook, all kinds of good stuff going on. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance cryptocurrency. It's up right this second. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, check out what's going on with them. Also, we're going to go to Crypto Bubbles. We're going to add them to our favorites and kind of check out the numbers for VVS Finance. And then also Meta, Facebook, it was down 26% today. Holy cow, everybody. Your Meta, Facebook, it was down 26% today. Can you believe it? We're going to talk about that a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency, trade it, know all about it. All right, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, VVS Finance is up almost 16% in the last 7 days, 15.69. Down about 2% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. 31.83 is the price, down about 2.7% in the last 24 hours. But if we look at the last 7 days, it's up 15, 16%. So that's some fantastic news right this second. So over here at the Twitter account, here's a couple things. It says, number one, no one likes impairment losses. That's why we're excited to introduce the Pool Insight and Smart LP Removal beta to help combat it. View your liquidity info and set target conditions for LP removal. Whistle still earns VVS rewards. And then number two, Smart LP Removal allows liquidity providers on VVS to manage your exit strategy by setting conditions on when to execute the LP removal. Users will still continue to earn VVS rewards. Whistles while waiting for their orders to be executed. Number three, Pool Insights allow liquidity providers to access personalized, insightful statistics to monitor their crystal farms' performance and access to the two categories of information: overall liquidity info and pair deposit stats. So pretty awesome stuff here, VVS Finance. Happy Year of the Tiger to the VVS miners. Happy Lunar to the new year. All right, over here at their website, VVS Finance. Very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movements takes control of your finance and earns sparkly VVS rewards. Learn more about VVS Finance. Now take a look. Everything's all sparkly over here. Now obviously you can connect right there. We're not going to connect right this second. We aim to make DeFi simple within reach of our billions low-fee transactions and competitive earnings. Couple of little things here. Number one is the shiny yield farming opportunities, stream of passive income. People are interested in passive income to multiply your assets. The rarest and brightest yield farm in the VVS farms. Number two, clear incentives for all. Token economics and incentive builds for long-term value creations. Our mines will always be bountiful. And hardened security and governance designed with security in mind and community governance at heart. Platform governance will be passed gradually to the community. It says choose your path and join the DeFi movement. Starting over here to the right, be a VVS miner. Your passive income. Crystallize your VVS tokens, staking for a fixed amount to receive earn more VVS tokens. Stake and forget it. That's simple. In the middle, be a liquidity provider. Low minimums. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity provider LP tokens and collect transaction fees and farm shiny VVS rewards. All the way over here, be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly. Instantly swap tokens with low fees, slippage. Keep your eye out for new pairs and new token listings. All right, so far everything sounds real good about VVS Finance. We're going to go ahead and hit over to Crypto Bubbles to kind of throw that in there and kind of show you that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, Crypto Bubbles, here we go. All right, so I got to bounce it around the top 200. So I actually have my favorites in here, and I just added VVS. And take a look for the week. It's actually up 15%. Now for the year, I know my face is covering a little bit. It's actually down 78% for the year. It's down 38% for the month, and it's down but it's up 15% for the week. The key thing here is inside your crypto bubbles, I'm at the top 300 here. Just by clicking the top 300, you may see something. Oh, look at this, 35% down. You click it. This cryptocurrency is up 5,900% in the last year. Okay, now it's ranked 297. It's down for the day, it's down for the week. So this is how you can kind of just go click around and say, wow, let's look at this, look at that. Over at the bottom here, you can click KuCoin and see the coins that they have on their platform. You can click FTX and see what FTX has on their platform. Coinbase has on their platform. So again, this token is actually like 400 and some, so I'd be right here around the fives. So there it is, bouncing around, and it's yellow since it's basically one of my favorites. So you can kind of see it right there. Rare right here is up 35%. So look, it's up 35% for the week, but it's actually down 42% for the month. So you can kind of check that out and shows you the high. Crypto bubbles, you may want to start using it. Throw your favorites in there. Just real easy to check it out. You can also scope the 600, scope the 700, scope the different areas, and maybe find yourself some more tokens to put, more cryptos to put on your radar. All right, what about Facebook or Meta? Down 25, 26% today. Holy cow, everybody. I mean, Meta's a stock. It's not crypto. Crypto's down 20, 25%. Stocks don't do that really. Well, Meta Platform stock ends a day in historic market cap plunge. It says Meta Platform records the largest one-day drop in the market value ever for a U.S. company. Let me read that again. Here we go. Meta Platform record the largest one-day drop in market value ever for a U.S. company, with shares of the Facebook parent shredding a bit more than 1/4 of the value in Thursday's trading. Meta stock lost $232 billion in market capitalization. Meta, tickers FB, fall atop the previous record set by Apple. Falling hard, Meta stock on Thursday was on track for the largest single-day drop in market value for a public traded firm. I mean, right here you got Meta's actually at the top. Apple's number 2. Microsoft had a day before, and so did Apple. But I mean, Facebook over here was down at the bottom. But look at the top day of dropping. Ay, ay, ay. With Meta stocks dropped 26.4% to $237 at the close, shares record the largest percentage decrease since the company went public May of 2012 at the late afternoon. 173 million shares of Meta platform changed hands today. The most trading days since 2013. Meta stocks was the worst performer in the S&P, with a loss more than double the next contender, which was 12%. So yeah, they lost 26% today. Meta, formerly Facebook. Oh boy, and again, like I say, that's not the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency goes up and down and stuff like that. This is regular stocks and stuff. All right, crypto bubble, Meta, formerly Facebook, really low. I mean, most droppage ever in a day. Let's head back over to VVS Finance and do a little price prediction. All right, back over here at the website. VVS tokens is at the core of VVS Finance. Number 1 is value, stake for rewards. The bread and butter for our miners is the stake to VVS to earn VVS. 2 is utilities, stash to join, coming soon. VVS Union Club, the more you put in, the more you get out. The governance, hold to vote, coming soon. XVVS equals Y votes, your voice in the future of VVS. All right, so this token is actually up right this second. Again, it's up 15% in the last 7 days. I'm pretty happy about that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 31.87. Our price prediction is it's going to go from 31.87 to maybe 37.87. It's going to go up a little bit right this second. Things are on the uptick. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But a lot of good things are happening for VVS Finance. Take a look right below it. Chess is up 37%. So that's interesting. They're right next to each other there. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Meta, 26% down today. It's a stock, it's not a crypto. Okay, and they're trying to get big into the metaverse. VVS Finance is up right this second, which is fantastic. Crypto bubbles, we want to make sure you guys know about that so you can use that. All kinds of good stuff. All right, everybody, we will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic evening.